I was using normal thumb mashing. I wasn't doing my pinch strategy, dude. That's why I lost.
I missed the ramp at the end.
Yeah, I know. I almost sniped it from you because of that.
Oh my god. I didn't realize you could barely miss the ramp by going full top.
Well, no, you could save for a star.
Well, Star, if you do manage to, since you have another mini, if you manage to get to that item game, you know what to do.
Yeah. Maybe. Nice. I feel like it might change, though.
Yeah, it might bait. Actually, I don't know how good that is. Because you're going to have to either not use your mini or hope to get the... Is there even a mush down there? I don't know.
So, the item game is immediately after the happening spaces. So Luke getting
why did I even go in here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Luke that feels like probably one of... That seems like one of the hardest ones to actually get, so it might be the same every time.
Yeah.
Nah, I still think that the Koopa one is hardest for the minigame, dude. We never got that.
That's true. But I mean, even with that one, it's like you have to either roll a 5 on a mini at the one spot right before it, or get lucky with the morph that Bowser does.
Yeah.
And it seems to be like not 50-50, like once in every 4 or 5 turns instead. So, whereas the other one, you have to roll. You have to have a
fighting Bowser.
But it's a 50-50 instead of like just a random turn.
Nice.
So we just got unlucky.
You're not gonna be going to Bowser anyways, Brando, because he's gonna move now.
Very true. I'll just head up the bridge.
You're gonna get Lotto.
I want to play the bullet bill game, hopefully.
Oh yeah, you did just get a mini right before, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, and it's right up there too?
Ooh. Excellent. Ooh. Nobody's near that bridge.
Wait, I don't think you can get it though, so I'm just gonna lamp.
Hello.
Oh, you're right!
Yeah, definitely the best opportunity for you to lamp right
now.
Yeah,
it is.
I'll still head up there, because Boo's that way.
Here we go again.
Splatoon 4.
Getting a lot of dupes this time around.
I lost by like 1% on this one, Wario. We're always neck and neck.
I'm almost last. It seems like.
Wario's my rival.
I don't know why I'm.
But I'm not gonna be. I'm not gonna be cheeky though. Unless you head this way, Wario, then I'll have some words. I'll have some words if you go this way.
I'm not letting Peach win.
No, I'm gonna harass my new plan is to just harass everyone.
I'm not letting anyone win, brother. I'm winning. That's why.
Not with your color ratio right now. Brando's in the lead.
You're right. Let me get over there.
You guys are just gonna let Brando win?
Nah, he's not winning.
Not anymore.
I'm not winning that.
How I get last place again? I'm definitely not doing as good as the last boards.
If you would have went down to Brando, you probably would have won, Luke. But you went up instead.
I don't get this strategy.
No, there's no way for me to get the star because I have to mini to even get there, and I can't get there with a 5.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you serious, bro? Oh my god. Well, there goes Brando getting a free star now. Come on, Bow Wow, you piece of shit. Fucking fat bastard. No, that may seem ironic coming from Wario, but... Dude, now I'm gonna lose half my coins, too!
Oh, nice.
Now I'm fucking spending everything I own.
And if you go to Bowser's start, you head down instead of up.
Ooh, I'm gonna run into it again anyway. Sucks.
Yeah, I'm alone in the top.
Hang it, dude.
Yeah.
I have a mini in case I roll a 1. Okay.
Yeah, you're getting the star next turn.
Well, if you... How far behind Bowser are you?
I mean, it doesn't matter, because he's gonna...
Oh, right. Because he's in front of you.
Yeah.
I mean, he'd have to get a 1 next turn, so...
Got it. I'll take 15.
Fuck. Well, my only hope now is that Stark steals his coins and steals 24. You'll have
I don't.
to
Yeah, I was
stay
like, I
up
don't think
big.
you'd be able to throw that many.
Yeah, I don't know if a spork is enough. We'll see.
Okay,
Yeah,
well,
lose your
I won't
coins,
lose
though.
my coins at least.
True.
Because either he'll get the star and you won't have to use your magic lamp, or
Damn it, that's so annoying, dude. That was the perfect lamp, too. Fuck you, Bowser.
Again?
mm,
Star destroyed us in this one, if I recall.
I won the
Dude.
last time.
This map is repeat central.
Yeah,
I
but
know.
I won the time before that. He was a pretty decisive win too.
All right.
Ooh, that's bad. I'm not winning this.
No, Wario!
Let's go.
Get a
Maybe?
better gear shift than me!
Let's go.
Never mind.
Tied
You
again,
seem to always
dude.
get that time.
It's always the second gear shift that I mess up.
I just need to figure out the best way to time that start, because once I can do that, I'm golden. Because I caught up pretty quickly, and I had a really bad start.
Yeah. You'd think that acing the start would have me there. But alas.
I ended up getting third place.
Oh, this is an interesting, Star. You could get a happening. And
I
join
don't-
me. I'm the only one.
I don't know if you and
Because it's-
you and Luke both have one.
We both have one.
I don't know
I'm gonna try.
if that Bowser will get rid of your star, or if he just gets rid of the mushrooms. Like if he gets rid of all the coins or not. I'll get no chances.
Oh,
What you gonna do?
Brando said all mushrooms, but
Yeah, I'm not
Hey,
sure.
Rose saw your mushroom.
Come on, take 24 somehow. Controller
That's a
unplug.
mash- Looks like he did quite a few from last time.
Dang it, dude. If he
Let's
didn't
go.
get that blue space, if he had landed on something else. Oh, you have a chance still. Let's go.
Ooh.
That's probably the
So that makes
best.
it a lot easier, actually.
It's always exciting because the odds of happening spaces in item games are so low.
Oh,
Oh, well, you can go to Boo.
You can
can
join
time
me,
this.
brother.
Dang. Well,
No,
you
I
can
wouldn't.
go to the
Have-
item again. Or happening.
yeah, I'll take either, really. If maybe it worked
Get a
the
one,
same
get a
time
one, get a one, get a one!
Oh,
Not this time, bro. I used up all my get a one luck before when it was useless.
And I'm gonna use a mini next turn. See if I can get another happen.
yeah, I want to get happenings too, because I do need bonus
Oh,
stars at this
jeez.
rate.
The bridge is broken. I broke it, so you guys are heading to the right.
Oh, God, that's horrible.
Where is it?
You got if whoever gets there. Oh
The-
my gosh, dude.
Ooh, no leg, Brando.
Oh no.
Brandon's going hard.
Finally. Okay. I'm not getting
We'll see.
cocky though. This is Mario Party. I
This
could
board
lose
seems like
everything
it's
in a
hard to
turn.
catch up though, so I
Dude, there's
mean,
a lot of time to
we'll see
catch
what
up.
happens, though.
I'm
There's
not.
plenty of time.
I'm playing it risky, unlike Luke here. I'm gonna fucking get everything, dude. I'm
Yeah,
I'm Wario, bro. I'm gonna be greedy.
me when I'm
Double
Wario.
lamps.
Give me
Yeah,
an
I'm
block
just-
right here.
I gotta put up a fight, dude. This is the last board. I gotta try. I have 0 wins. I gotta go ham.
Yeah, that's true. Very, very true moment.
But first,
Please give us Bookstorm. Oh,
oh,
Dude,
oh this
Brando
mini
keeps
game's
winning
really
this one. Somehow I just cannot get in front of people in this one, and I don't know why.
sometimes you just want to play good mini games, but Mario Party 4 has other ideas.
I don't like that the crabs are hyper realistic and not cartoony.
The mashing doesn't really work.
Fuck you, Daisy. This is mine.
No, you
No,
don't, you fat man.
man.
Sorry, that was pretty dramatic. Get on my way. Thank
No.
you.
Nice.
Shark Tail.
How? Bruh.
Don't worry
Stop stealing.
about a thing.
I don't know how I got those, but I'll take them. I'll take them
Get
all.
it.
Let's go.
Win.
Let's
Oh, it's a
go.
wrap, dude. It's a wrap. You got the gold.
I don't know how I snuck in there to get those
GG's,
golds from you
GG's.
guys.
Shark bait. Ooh, ha, ha.
If you take all of our totals besides AVs and add them together, it's the same as his. So you're as good as all three of us at that minigame combined.
Dang, dude.
Dang.
I'm
Yeah,
proud
I
of
kept
myself,
running
then.
into hazards.
Let's see.
Oh, this will be interesting. Let's see it.
Anything that you get will be a good reward.
Yeah.
A good roll overall.
Well,
And who knows? It could be
You
like
could-
last time where it makes this mini again.
you could roll another 1 or 2 and get it again. Can't get the mini game, but you could get another happening.
Yeah. Some of the only spots in the entire dang board.
I was hoping for happening.
I know, I
honestly.
would have
Welcome
liked for you to
to the
snipe that and take that away from Brando. Koopa gets
Hmm.
shuffled.
I can't time this, so
Every day
Okay,
on shuffle.
don't freaking juke me out, nerd.
What if he's like, okay, you get this one? Oh, I just noticed those have the
No, it's the
logo,
same every time.
Not the Bowser logo.
Maybe. I think we
I'm
have to test
scared
it more time to make sure.
Don't
Okay.
come back.
That's the second time I've been there, nerd, so get owned.
He looks really offended.
Good.
Come on,
You
go ahead and
better
roll a 5 for me here.
No,
Yeah. be. A 4?
I'll use my $5 and take your money.
Let's be high roll buddies.
You're not taking any of my money, brother. It's about to disappear.
Let's go.
Dang.
Well, now he has Happening Star for
Yeah.
pretty good chance.
No. Mario.
Though, I guess.
Yahoo.
Of course, anything could happen, right?
Oh yeah, dude. I'm not counting. Like
It's my uncle right here.
this is still early, dude. This is still early.
His magic lamp shoes.
Mario's got pretty genius shoes too.
Exactly, he's my uncle, dude. I took my fashion after him.
Our
I'm trying to
governor.
imagine. Ooh, you could be the first to play the lottery.
Let's go, lotto time.
What a strange trick of fate. Usually he's the one to get to.
Is your uncle's name Bob, baby?
Bob, sure.
Oh my
Voice for
god,
Bob.
no, never. My uncle's name will never be Bob.
And if it is, I'll be upset.
You good?
No, dude, I hate that. Honestly? Oh, never mind.
Enter the lottery shop. Ever been in here? No? You got a DK ticket. Ew.
Don't.
You know what? My opinion on DK has changed. Slightly.
I don't think we're gonna get
Oh my god.
Well, we cannot let AV win this one unless you want him to get even more star.
Let's go!
Well,
Let's go!
it's gonna be
Come
hard
on,
to do.
dude.
You were saying?
Come on, dude. Please.
Who are we grabbing?
Come on, man.
You know,
This is my chance.
ooh, it's a. We haven't grabbed him yet. He's heavy.
I think we have. Open up door. Safe, fellas.
I haven't found one, dude. Nah, I'm not winning this one. Dang it, dude. I didn't find one for a while.
The first time.
Damn it. The one time I needed to win that, too.
Yeah. Oh well.
Yeah, you can say that.
Yeah.
I can't.
It did.
Oh!
Aw, dang.
Could have got another happening. He's headed back. I don't know who to steal from, honestly. I just want money.
Yeah, I mean, if you steal from me, you're only gonna get 5 coin
Ooh,
bonus.
oh.
Well, you're not stealing from anyone anyways.
I was like, this gives you some time to solidify your decision.
Yeah.
I have another chance.
I might pull an AI and just go for as the most dollars.
Let's go.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Come
Just
on,
enough.
dude.
I see.
Here we go again.
I keep forgetting that battle games can't have. Oh.
No!
Oh.
Dude. Fuck.
No, we suck at this one, AB.
I know.
Perfect timing.
No.
Dude, I'm
Are
not
you sure
winning
you wanna run
this.
laps together, brother?
Fuck, dude,
Come on, Star, let's
I'm
go.
not winning this, bro.
Time for the strat.
I might have to pull out this strat.
You guys want to go for a walk?
Fuck, dude. Time to pull out this strat.
This is so stupid. We're throwing out the aiming. Let's go. Ah!
Oh, well. Brando, now you're an obstacle in the way.
Watch out for big boys.
I'm scared.
It's gonna get crazy. Oh
What?
my god. He might.
Come on, Star, you got this.
Come
Don't-
on, dude.
10
You got
seconds.
this, Star. You got this.
I finally won! Dude, I finally won that one. The strat worked.
That's a nice 20 coins you have there, brother. 23.
No, you're right in front of it, huh? I had to win it last time. I didn't think about that, dude.
Oh!
Yeah?
I could roll a 1.
Come on, please roll one, dude.
I
Please.
think
I
ever
might
makes
roll a
you-
1, brother.
I guess he never makes you mega. Mega would have been better for you though.
I might
Right in
roll
front
a
of my
1.
boots face.
Dude,
Please.
if I roll a 1, I won't be mad. I won't be mad. That'll be funny. I might.
It's a possibility.
I'm not directly in front of the booth house, so.
Oh, that's fine. Wait, no, don't take my coins, please.
Uh-oh.
I didn't use my
Come
mega
on,
on you
dude.
last.
Please roll a 1 or a 2.
Oh, God.
60% chance.
Let's go!
Oh, it's a battle.
But I have to win this
That's
now,
even worse.
dude.
It's even worse. AB, you have to fight for this star.
I know, man.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, okay.
Bro.
Oh.
I still
He's
have to
also
win, dude. Fuck.
Oh, Lord.
Okay.
Well, if it's Rumble,
Please.
dude.
Please.
Dude, I had a guaranteed win for that other one, but
He did. You could have cucked me hard.
I can't win this one. And you guys usually get top 2, so he's getting his back. So you just gave him a star.
Yes. As long as I don't get unlucky.
You're up against no leg. You're up against no leg brand.
Low neck. I got long, dude. Well, Brando.
Ah!
No lag, Brando just
So much for no lag. So much for low neck, Brando. Let's go.
No, that's not no leg Brando. That's low neck Brando.
Dude, I
I
got
don't know
double
what you're talking
longs.
about.
There you go. All you had to do was pick Rumblefin.
Yeah,
Let's
but
go,
unlike
dude.
you, I lose fair and square.
Yeah,
I got
fuck
double
Rumblefish, you did.
long path.
I have to pee.
What do you mean fair?
I'm more in
We having a better
fair
reaction
and
time.
square fight. I'm not a sandbag and Sally.
You literally sandbagged me a couple times.
Yeah, and you got like 20 coins out of it.
Parasailing? Hello?
Yeah? You got like 18 coins. And then I never sandbagged on your team again. You did it to me.
Jeez.
Mm-hmm.
Sandbagging is not choosing a game that you know I'll win.
Sandbagging is being a sissy.
You're a sissy. Yes.
Oh.
Shut up.
I can't hear you.
Over the star that you just gave, AB?
Nah, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah,
I'll take
sure.
your coins, Luke.
That makes no sense.
Oh wait, because that was a
Yeah.
battle, not a mini game.
Mini Wario.
Let's go, dude. I had to work for this one. Holy.
You had to work for that one. Holy moly.
Oh, that's right in front of you guys. Oh, never mind. It's in front of me.
Nelly, it's before the junction. Oh, thank God.
That's a pretty tricky Bowser spot. Well, we'll see.
You know what? Next turn I'll take $15.
Yeah,
I'll like
gotta take all. Oh, you fight guy parasailing, Luke. Let's see if you're the.
Maybe. Well, yeah. Maybe I'll drive for the first time. 3,000 years, or actually about 2 hours.
Star, we got this. I'm gonna get you some fat
Speed up
stuff.
and slow down. Okay. If I am the driver, who knows?
A to speed up, B to slow down.
Let's see. Nope.
I'm losing my mind. Never let me drive.
You don't have a license, brother.
Well,
I literally.
let's go for a ride. Whee! Whenever you slow down, it like sharp drops the person.
See, Avi's a good driver at least.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, I can't get that one. Yeah, I shouldn't have gone for this, my bad.
There we go.
Oh, I'm stupid.
I almost got that one. You notice the difference, Star, that I don't complain? Because I'm a cool teammate.
Dang, I couldn't reach that one. My bad.
If we get 10 star, that's the equivalent of a minigame win.
Oh, wow.
I'll get this one.
Nice.
It looks like you would. It looks like you could get it, but then you end up not, right?
Mhm.
Like Mud just should have clipped that coin, but oh well.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Hey, we can get you a star and then your magic.
Well, all I have to do is be a pro gamer like Brando and make the boo only steal 19 for me.
Yeah.
We shall see. Oh, thank you.
Ooh.
I will not use my mega on you.
Big rolls.
It probably would be beneficial just for the sake of movement, but I don't think I will.
I love that
Oh,
he
thank
kept
God.
hovering over this.
Dude, thank
I
God he
love
did not
that
buy
he
this
kept hovering
sticker.
over the sticker. Yeah, I was like, Star.
Dude, that fucking sticker,
Oh,
man.
you can go back.
You can go back and have another chance. There you go.
Cool, cool.
I would be avoiding that. Oh, bruh. That's okay. I was like,
Dude,
why are PS... Dang, almost. They almost didn't even make it.
Oh my.
Why are
God.
PS4 buttons so slickery, dude? They're so slick.
They are slickery. Give me your lunch money.
See, there you go, Brando. You're playing more aggressive. Wario probably has a lot of lunch money, too. I mean, look at him.
Dang, bro. That's fucked up, man.
I just call him fat, but dang.
Sorry, that was rude.
Oh, man.
No! How ridiculous.
Oh, God,
I know,
I
man.
have to walk past him and he's gonna look at me.
I'm gonna give you the fucking stink eye.
Luigi death stare.
There you go.
Oh,
Cool.
About time.
Now I'm gonna lose because I was excited for it.
You know, that's bound to
Me and
happen.
everything.
It happened with Mr. Blizzard's Brigade too, and I could see it happen.
I got
For sure.
You got to see how I died in that minigame. I was directly in front of him when he chose to throw it.
Yeah, that happened to me too. So I feel your pain.
It was very tragic. Hello, DK. You are a squirming Sally.
Dude, I do not want to be Wario in this minigame.
You know, especially next to DK.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, we are some two
No,
wide
God,
brothers
you
here.
picked me at the last second. He pushed me.
Brando.
aside. Hey Wario, no!
What's up,
Stop
brother?
it.
I have not moved from this side of the map, dude. I've just gone up and down. Oh!
Whatever it takes.
We'll take that, dude.
Oh my gosh. I see why you guys hate the crescents now.
Yeah, sometimes it fucks up,
Presents
dude.
always get me.
How do you
that one
live
was
there?
close,
You
Brando.
pro gamer skills. You right? There goes.
No lag, Brando.
Oh yeah. Well.
Whoa! Let's go!
Your brain had a little bit of lag there, Brando.
That was no lag.
That was
full
rude
L.
too. That was yeah.
I thought it was like top right.
That was no
No,
lag,
that's
dude.
a-
I just took the L.
Sometimes you
I
just
was-
can't
that
see
was-
it.
That was
Yeah, I
troll.
couldn't-
It was like on the same spot.
I could not see it. That was a hair away.
As long as the circles that are the worst, I think so. Yeah, I could go for it, but the star space is up there.
DK. You can keep exploring the
Yeah,
board,
or you
can
can-
try.
You can go for the
thing
star
is-
or mini.
The thing is, he
Yeah.
only has one mini. so
Hopefully you
then
don't
his
roll
chances
too
of
high here.
tricky.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, that's true,
Shoot.
Brando.
It might as well
Nice,
mega.
you should be fine.
Okay.
Oh, 100% fine.
Take a little trip.
We'll see here. I don't want to use it because of the item shop, but probably might have been a good idea. We'll see. We'll see how this plays out.
Buy my stickers.
I mean, it's not really anything super. Get this.
Super mini's good.
Yeah. Now that I think about it, with the super mini,
Oh, you landed
the
right before, too.
Oh,
the
that's a
II
really good-
one is definitely. Yeah, we'll see how Star rolls this turn, and I'll go from there on whether or not I want to use the mini, or not.
There you go. Yep,
nice.
we'll see.
Well, I did what I could.
Oh, I guess. Yeah, he's gonna use the magic lamp anyways.
Oh, no.
Bowser can make
No.
you lose all your items. This will be
$4,
not an
no.
awkward moment. It takes 10 coins from everyone. Oh,
Oh, no.
No.
Oh!
No way.
that's not good.
I'm in first.
Lucky.
Well,
People.
is that
Do you have to use it right now?
that's next
I'm
turn, I
gonna look
think.
look up what it does.
Well, I should have got the item swap card. Are
Mario
you
is
kidding me?
rated to me, and I might be able to do something really cheesy.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for you to look that up and tell me what it does before I use
I
this
believe
lamp or
if you
not.
pass them, you take all their
I didn't
coins.
think you would ever see it. Okay. What does it do? It
Brando really
steals,
get lucky. for it.
it steals 30 coins from a player.
Dude,
And if you pass by Bowser when you're wearing it, he gives you 50 coins. But we're not going to see that. Or we might not.
dude,
That
I
is
don't
a
know,
30
man.
30 coins, that's what it does.
I wasn't gonna use my lamp here. I was gonna save
kinda have
it,
to now.
but I don't want
You
to.
could
I'm gonna
roll.
roll more than a fucking 4. I'm almost positive.
Yeah.
I'm going to check how many dice I roll.
Even if I use it, it'll only be +2 extra fucking spaces to my roll.
It's not telling me how much dice I get to roll.
But I'll use up all my coins at least. I'm sorry, Star. I probably am gonna have to do this, bro. I was gonna let whoever was racing up there get it, but because of
So
that.
it works like a mega mushroom, but better.
Oh, okay, yeah, I was not getting away from that then, unless I rolled low.
Like an upgraded mega. But I was worried because I thought it would like steal a star or something.
Yeah, that would have been nasty.
Just money. Nah, just money. Just money.
Damn it, dude. My plans
got
always go
confused.
awry.
In Mario Party 8, the Bowser suit takes stars from players.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow.
Just terrifying.
Damn it, dude. I didn't want to use that so soon. Well, at least now you can only take 9 from me anyways. And look at that,
Yeah.
dude. That's exactly why I didn't want to use it. Because I could have done that. Fuck. And now Brando might get there and get his 50.
You're right.
Yeah.
Dude. And I didn't even land in front of him. Well, I would have if I didn't use that, actually. So, that's fine. Alright, you guys, let's beat his fucking ass.
Okay.
Dude, I suck at this minute. I don't know how to stay on the thing. Although it feels good to be the target for once, because normally I'm just not doing anything in these games.
You're just vibing.
No, I'm not vibing this time. It's a close race. I keep forgetting that I can't jump in this game.
You just have to time it. Get over to our side?
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, never mind. You don't have to.
I got dunk.
There's some fucking piranhas in there, dude. I saw some red fishes.
Please no. Listen, it was just one minigame, guys.
Oh, well, we
Looking
can't get
at
up
the
there.
back, I want to see how much dice.
Wait,
how much
what?
dice
What's
blocks you
the
can-
what's the bridge even at?
It's facing the other way. Oh,
Yeah,
I think
but
like 2. Well, I'm staying away from Brando, so
That's
Oh
fair.
shit, dude! You only get to roll once with the suit, like one block.
Oh.
well,
I don't know now.
Oh, I thought you said you were staying away from Brando.
yeah, but I won this battle, so
Might as well. 50.
Okay, well if I lose all my money here, I'm just gonna chance it with
30,
the suit
no?
because then I can't go shopping.
I'd like some coins, and if I get a choice,
Oh wait, the suit is a choice. I thought
Yeah.
you had to use it.
Oh, it's like an inventory item, but I was checking to see how many dice blocks you get to roll. You only get to roll 1,
Oh, okay.
so I could still waste it.
I'm
I'm
gotta
not
do better
winning
this
this,
time.
dude.
Ooh, good miss.
Dude, my stick is way too sensitive for this shit. Especially the loop-de-loop, dude.
I messed up the loop-de-loop.
I'm actually garbage at this game. I just threw away 30 coins, dude.
Last time.
Guys, look at my loop.
No, look at my loop.
Oh my gosh, I'm choking.
Choked on the loop.
Look at my loop. Look at my loop. It's gonna be bad.
Oh my god, look at all our loops.
Luke!
Yep, the loop cost. I knew it.
Jeez, if I got that loop, I probably would have had a chance.
I'll take second. I'll never win this game.
Here, take my coins, since I like to be generous.
Thank you, man.
You didn't even have to use Power Shoot on me to take my 30 coins.
They gave me the pity, too.